everybody, welcome back to this week's cleaning motivation. Today I'm just going to take you along with me on my relaxing day off, which really wasn't that relaxing because I just did laundry most of the day. In the end, I didn't finish as much as I wanted because I ended up watching Jurassic Park and the movie Split with James, but I got a lot done, so I'm taking you guys along for the ride today. So I hope you guys get a lot of laundry motivation and also just the inspiration to tackle something, because I did tackle my hall closet. And yeah, so don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and enjoy. Here are the 3 winners from last week's giveaway, the Super Clean giveaway. These are the 3 winners of the cleaning kits that are going to be sent out. So I hope you guys get back to me over the weekend. I'll give you Friday, Saturday, and Sunday to get back to me. Hopefully you do. And then I can get with you either through Instagram, email, or my email to get your email so I can send it to Super Clean so they can send you your kit. So congratulations so much, and thank you guys for watching.
Gotta hold on to me. I remember the sound of us being loud, so loud, so loud. Just wonder where you're walking and talking, thinking, are you the same? Wonder how you're doing and moving through the crowds every day. And all I wanna know, are you thinking about me? I just gotta know.
I give in to the lesser fight. My body aches to be satisfied. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes. I'm reaching out for the easy high. Please fortify this strength of mine. Comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes.
compile it. Oh no, I see you only when you're ballin'. Oh no, I don't even care to doubt. I'll see you in a while, 'cause this time I will choose you, yeah. Now choose. You know exactly how to look like this. Holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this. Knowing it's a risk 'cause you're using it. You got all your secrets. I can seem to move this thing. You're pulling me out and I'm right back in. The sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway, waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I don't wanna seem to shaky. Oh no, like I'm sudden but unsteady. Oh no, and they tell me to move on 'cause I deserve more, but still I wanna choose you, yeah. Now choose. You know exactly how to look like this. Holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this. Knowing it's a risk 'cause you're using it. You got all your secrets. I can seem to move this thing. You're pulling me out and I'm right back in. I'm on the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway, waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I'm on the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway, waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I'm on the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway, waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget.
thanks for coming along to clean with me today. I hope you got some extreme laundry motivation. I know doing all the laundry in one day isn't for everybody, but I hope you were inspired nonetheless. So don't forget to like this video, and thank you guys all so much for your support and subscribing and watching my videos every week.